In this video, I'm going to drive you through the process of hiding apps on your iPhone. Before we begin, to get more helpful videos like this, give a thumbs up to this one and subscribe to this channel. Hiding apps on an iPhone can help maintain privacy by concealing sensitive or personal information from prying eyes. It also declutters the home screen, providing a cleaner and more organized user experience. It's a handy trick for keeping things tidy and organized. Let's dive right in. First off, if you're looking to tidy up your homepage by hiding specific apps, it's a breeze. Simply find the app icon you want to hide and press and hold it for a few seconds. Let's take the Wallet app, for example. Press and hold its icon until you see a remove icon appears, typically represented by a minus sign. Once it pops up, give it a tap and select Remove from Homepage. Easy. But what if you've got a whole slew of apps cluttering up multiple pages? Don't worry, I've got you covered there too. To hide an entire page, start by pressing and holding anywhere on your screen for a few seconds. This action will summon a batch of dots, usually found at the bottom. Tap on those dots, and that's it. You'll be presented with a list of all your pages. Pick the one you're keen to hide by tapping the check mark next to it. That page will vanish from sight, leaving your home screen looking cleaner than ever. So, thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more handy tips and tricks. Leave me a comment below if you have any queries, and make sure to visit my website, MediaMagnetGuide.com, for more helpful tutorials and resources on various topics.